Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make puto, which is a Filipino steam cake. And this can be a snack or a dessert, and you can partner it with dinuguan, which is a Filipino dish. It is very easy to make, and it's very delicious too. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Sift flour and baking soda. Mix sugar and milk until batter becomes smooth. Beat egg whites and add sugar in 2 batches. Beat it until reach soft peak. Mix batter with half of the egg whites. Add the other half and mix it gently until combined. Do not overmix. Grease molds to prevent batter from sticking. Fill the molds with batter up to 3/4 full. Place the molds in the steamer and steam it for about 11 to 12 minutes. After 11 minutes, add the cheese. Our puto is done. It's time to eat.